How to find working Walmart promo codes online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find working Walmart promo codes online. To find working Walmart promo codes online, you may use various kinds of coupon websites like Retail Me Not, Honey, Coupons.com, Select Deals, Groupon, or Coupon Chief. Here I'm going with Coupon Chief. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type in couponchief.com. Then press this go button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Coupon Chief. Here once you reach to this website, here you will find the search bar. Tap on the search bar and here type in Walmart. Then search for it. You will be presented with the search results. Here you will be able to find a list of available coupon codes for Walmart. You need to look through the list of available promo codes and offers and pay attention to the descriptions, expiration date, and any user comments or ratings that might indicate if the code is currently working. You may tap on the More Details option at the left side, and from there you will be able to see the description about that coupon code. Also make sure to find the coupon code that has not been expired. You should always choose the expiration date before trying to use a code. And if you find a promo code that looks promising, you need to tap on Get Promo Code button right below the coupon title. And once you tap on it, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. In this pop-up window, you will be able to see the coupon code. You tap and hold the coupon code box and tap on Copy to copy it to your clipboard. After you have copied this clipboard, you can directly go to the Walmart website by tapping on this Walmart or use the Walmart applications and there add the items you wish to purchase to your cart and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout section, you need to paste the copied promo code in the designated promo code box to see if it applies a discount. And after applying the code, verify that it worked correctly. If it did, you will see the discount applied to your order total. So by following the steps, you should be able to find working Walmart promo codes online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.